Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to give you an Avax Avalanche update. I'm going to be talking about Avalanche Avax here on the daily chart. Then I'm going to be moving to the 4-hourly, then the hourly, just because there is a potential position that I am looking for around these sorts of zones here. Without further ado, let's start off and let's just get straight into it on the daily. Not going to mess you around here, guys. We're here for one reason only, and that is to do crypto TA. It's as simple as that. So at this point in time, you can see what's going on here. We've got a very big parabolic Mount Everest climb coming through there. Very, very steep indeed. And you know what we say about Mount Everest climbs on this? If we are going to go parabolic like so, we need to be resting at base camp 1. Bit of consolidation zone along there. A bit of sideways action, or we're just going to fall off the other side of the mountain, right? We're going to fall off the other side of the mountain and going to cause some insane dump to the downside, which at this point in time, guys, you can see the previous all-time high candle body close on the daily chart here for Avax, and that's around $55 there. At this point in time, we did come up. We wicked there. We said hello. But no, we didn't get a wave back. We saw imminent rejection coming through there. And now we're actually heading down from that point there, coming through from $53.60 there. Currently now trading at $48.64. So if we do a percent on how much we are actually down from that zone, we're currently down near enough around 9.77%. And for any asset to be down that much, it's pretty bad after coming through from that rejection point. So yes, this is completely, absolutely expected after going parabolic like so. And that's pretty much the daily covered here. We did obviously see this insane crypto crash, and we did start pumping from the 21st of July, like a lot of cryptocurrencies actually did though. But yeah, so as you can see, we have come up. We have actually invalidated pretty much near enough every single lower high that we did set along this zone, which was going to act as basically resistance points, but we just smashed through, going absolutely parabolic indeed. I think it's $180 million in decentralized finance contracts on the Avalanche chain now, or something along those lines. Crazy stuff there. So that's obviously why we are seeing some insane parabolic run-ups coming through here. Now let's jump down to the 4-hourly here, because this is interesting. The most recent micro trend that we've got coming through here. As you can see, nice parallel channel to the upside here. Very nice indeed. Very nice uptrend in a sense, right? Really good stuff. But a couple of things I do want to talk about here, guys. Let me just get rid of that for simplicity's sake right now. Obviously, parallel channel to the upside. We are waiting for a break to the downside, it does look like at this point in time. Now, the measure move for that break to the downside, we're going to go on the most recent downtrend, as you can see here. The most recent downtrend is going to be looking at something along the lines of this, and that is going to be an estimation to bring the price down to $40.75, right? $40.75, and that is literally going to be nearly 17% move there, just about nearly 17% move to the downside there. So that's definitely a short position that could be coming into fruition here. And obviously, guys, as I just said, going parabolic here on the daily chart, they're pretty rough stuff. I would expect us to come down. As I said, we do need to have a rest at base camp 1. I would expect us to come down to this volume weighted ATR band nonetheless, and that's sat at around that $40.48 as well. So yes, it is. It's correlating pretty well with a measure move to the downside here. So there's definitely a short position here for Avax to come through if we can get that confirmation that we are going to be heading down. And the volume weighted ATR band is this little red line coming through. As you can see, heavy resistance along this line, and also heavy support. It's a very respected line. Obviously not that much data because we're on the daily chart here, but yeah, it's a very heavily respected line. So we're definitely either going to come down to it or we're going to lose it, right? So it's definitely going to be a short position to be thinking about for the future. Now, the short position in terms of the short term that I want to talk about here, guys, let's jump to the 1-hourly. And the reason I want to jump to this, as you can see here, we do have a little bit of a range coming through here in terms of a channel, right? A little bit of a range in terms of a channel. Let me just drag this line down a little bit lower. As you can see there, you can see a nice level of support along this zone. As you can see, a lovely level of support along this zone, and vice versa to the upside. Lovely, juicy levels of resistance there. As you can see, we were trying to actually see a nice progressionary move to the upside, right? With progressionary move to the upside, we were going to be looking at a measure move around sort of this, right? Waiting on that retest, guys. This way we wait for the retest for a trade in terms of a long position like this. After going parabolic like this, you need to wait for the retest. You're not just going to jump in at the top, or you're going to get wrecked. It's as simple as that. So at this point in time, we were waiting for that retest, didn't get it good enough, and we actually didn't enter any long position, thank God. The reasoning for that is, you can see this big yellow line coming through here, that is actually what we call a bearish divergence coming through on the RSI, which is obviously a bearish reversal pattern coming through there, guys. So yeah, if we were going to be looking for that percent in terms of an uptrend there, in terms of a long position, it would have been around 15%. But no, the bearish divergence said no, so we said no too, and now we're waiting for a nice short position as we reclaim this this range coming down here. Now, the measure move to leave this parallel channel, as I was just discussing, this rising parallel channel, the measure move to leave that to the lower side would bring us down to that $40. Granted, we're not going to be going straight for that $40 here, guys. We're going to be staggering take profits all the way down, right? Staggering take profits all the way down, just in case we actually see a reversal, we see a high low get set, and then we come back up, back to our entry point around this sort of zone here. That's absolutely fine, because as soon as we hit our first take profit, we're going to take our stop loss and we're going to move it to our entry. So then if we do see a reversal come through, bang, yes, we get stopped out, but we get stopped out at entry. So it's not a loss, and we've already taken a lump of profit. So it's a successful trade at the end of the day. So yeah, that's the kind of mentality that I trade on, and that's made me the most money, which is great coming through there. But yeah, the main target I would be looking for would be this volume weighted ATR band to get to around that 45, 41. If we see the momentum actually just fall off a cliff, as you can see, it is capable of doing that. It is capable of doing that. And after seeing a parabolic run up of literally around 30%, 25% to candle body close there, it's easy. It's fine. We can easily dump off a cliff here to have a retracement of around 15%. And that absolutely completely expected with the state of this uptrend that we've seen recently. Huge, absolutely crazy stuff happening here for Avax. So it's basically very likely for us to actually fall off a cliff here. Now, let's talk about the RSIs coming through, because we were pretty overextended on the RSI coming through here. And then we have seen that reversal play out pretty strongly. I did want to jump to the daily, because you can look at the daily chart right now. Look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous in terms of being overbought here. We're likely to see a reversal coming through anytime soon. And if we can hop on that train, we can make their money. That's why we're here, right? You know why we're here. The OGs on the channel, you know why we're here to make goddamn money. It's exactly that. And Avalanche is actually on CoinMarketCap here. We're trading at $48.53, up 12.69%. Still, we're up 12.69% for the day, and yet we are still in this little micro downtrend coming through here. So yeah, that's gonna be it from me in terms of little TA on Avax there, little position to be looking out for. I mean, to be honest, nothing I say is financial advice, guys. Please go and do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not have an economics degree. Do not enter any positions that I say on this channel at all without doing your own research and making your own decision, right? Do not follow what I do at all. Can't stress that enough. If you like the video, smash that thumbs up. Helps me out tremendously. And hey, I stream every single morning, Monday to Friday. I do altcoin videos. I do Bitcoin updates. So if you like the content, smash that subscribe button, smash the notification bell. You're never going to miss one of my uploads. It's as simple as that. And you can also join the Telegram as well. It is in the community. It's in the description of the video there, guys. Great, it's a nice, tightly knitted community full of professional traders, full of beginner traders if you are in that boat as well. We're all here to help each other. Nice, positive, all that great stuff coming through there. So yeah, that is going to be it from me for now. But peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester. And thanks for watching.